If you're a licensed mortgage broker in the US doing a few funded deals a month from referrals, but your pipeline feels random and you're tired of buying leads that never close, this video is for you. Over the last few years, the system I'm about to walk you through has helped generate over $268 million in funded mortgage transactions. And the way we work is simple. We build and run the entire client acquisition system for you, and our $6,000 success fee doesn't get paid until you've closed 10 funded deals from it. In the next few minutes, I'll show you why your past ads and agencies didn't produce consistent funded loans, how our deal flow system fixes that by filtering out the tire kickers before they ever hit your calendar, and what it would look like installed in your market. If at the end you want us to build it with you, you can book a free 30-minute deal flow strategy call. If not, you'll still know exactly what's broken in your current lead gen. Let me guess what Mondays look like. You open your CRM and the pipeline is thin. Maybe one funded file last week. You've got half-completed applications that went cold. The Facebook campaign you tried last month brought in 40 leads and 0 closings. You've been posting on Instagram for months and the only people liking your stuff are other brokers. By the end of the day, you're chasing a lead who hasn't replied in 5 days, doing admin, telling yourself you'll figure out marketing next month, while the broker down the street is running ads, booking calls, and slowly becoming the default choice in your market. If that sounds familiar, you don't have a work ethic problem, you have a system problem. Most brokers I talk to have already tried buying shared leads from LendingTree or Zillow and fighting 3 other brokers for the same borrower, hiring a generic digital agency that burned your ad spend and blamed the market, running your own Facebook ads that filled your CRM with people who never answer the phone. Then there's BNI breakfasts, networking events, random social media posts that don't move the needle. So it's easy to think ads don't work for mortgage, but the real problem usually isn't traffic or budget, it's qualification. You either have no leads or you have a bunch of unqualified leads wasting your time. The brokers consistently hitting 10 to 15 funded deals a month aren't working harder. They've built a filter, a system that only surfaces people who are actually ready to move. That's what Dealflow is. Dealflow is a done-for-you AI-powered client acquisition system built specifically for US mortgage brokers. It has 3 main pieces. Piece 1, multi-channel deal attraction. We run your ads across Meta, Google Search, Google Display, YouTube, LinkedIn, and TikTok, all under one strategy. Search captures people actively looking for purchase or refi. Meta and TikTok create cold awareness and social proof. YouTube and Display follow people around until they're ready. LinkedIn targets higher income and investor profiles. So you're not betting your pipeline on one platform that can change an algorithm overnight. Piece 2, AI qualification funnel. Instead of sending every click straight to your calendar, every lead goes through a conversational AI qualifier that screens intent, timeline, rough credit band, loan size, and purpose. Only people who pass that filter see your calendar. You stop spending hours chasing people who were never going to close. Piece 3, automated follow-up and pipeline tracking. Every lead gets instant SMS and email follow-up within minutes of opting in, plus a structured nurture sequence if they're not ready today. All of it runs inside a Go High-level sub-account we set up for you. Pipelines, tracking, reporting. You spend about 20 minutes a week on the calls we book, not inside an ad manager. Here's what this looks like in the real world. A regional broker ran our 6-week transaction formula with a refi offer. We narrowed targeting to homeowners with at least 20% equity, built a simple landing page promising a savings estimate within 48 hours, and layered in immediate SMS follow-up. 4 weeks. They double booked conversations and increased funded deals by 35% without raising ad spend. The win came from tightening the offer and filtering the leads, not more traffic. Another broker in a metro area started with $70 a day on Google Search plus Facebook retargeting. Within the first month, they averaged 3 qualified leads per week at a cost that made sense against their commissions. Retargeting alone boosted landing page conversions by about 40% and turned random referrals into a predictable, weekly pipeline. Even in slower to start markets, the pattern is the same. Once the system is installed and you keep running it, randomness gets replaced with math. Here's how we work together. We install the entire deal flow system for you. Done for you campaigns across Meta, Google Search, Display, YouTube, LinkedIn, and TikTok, built for US mortgage compliance. AI pre-qualification so you only speak with serious buyers. Automated SMS and email follow-up that responds to new leads in minutes. A full Go High-level sub-account. Pipelines, automations, dashboards, the works. Ongoing optimization as the data comes in. The price is simple. $975 one-time setup fee, $297 per month, and a $6,000 success fee that only triggers after you've closed 10 funded deals from the system. Do the math. Even if you only earned $2,500 per funded deal, 10 deals is $25,000 in commission before the success fee. The system pays for itself before we collect our performance fee. Most agencies in this space charge big retainers and get paid whether it works or not. We flipped that. Real money for us is the success fee, which we don't see until you win. That's what a Grand Slam performance-based offer is designed to do. Make the value obvious and the downside tiny. Now, if you're like most brokers watching this, a few questions are popping up. I've tried Facebook ads before. They didn't work. You probably sent every lead straight to your phone or inbox with no filter. Dealflow builds the filter first, then the traffic. I don't have time to manage another system. Good, you're not supposed to. We run the campaigns, you show up to the appointments. How do I know this works in my market? We've run versions of this in competitive metros and smaller suburban areas across the US. The messaging and targeting adjust, but the principles don't change. Multi-channel traffic, tight qualification, fast follow-up. I'm worried about ad spend. We set a realistic minimum and we show you the math up front. In most cases, 2 funded deals cover months of ads, retainer, and setup. If you're still watching, here's what to do next. Click the button on this page and book a free 30-minute Dealflow strategy call. On that call, we'll audit your current lead gen, show you exactly where the bottleneck is, offer, qualification, follow-up, or channel mix, and map out what a Dealflow campaign would look like in your specific market. If it's a fit, we'll walk you through next steps. If it's not, you'll still leave with a clear diagnosis and at least one thing you can implement immediately, even if you never work with us. You can keep waking up to a random pipeline and hoping your realtor partners don't move on, or you can install a system that produces predictable, funded deals. Book your Dealflow strategy call now and let's start building that system.